Hello. Today I would like to give message to my students, those who always used to come to me and ask some tips, some guidance regarding investing in the market. Actually, I am teaching financial market to these students. And my students they got so excited, they always come and ask me that how can they start the tradings. But as a teacher, I'm also a parent. So I just like I used to worry about my son, I'm really worrying about these students as well because I don't want that their money should be in vain, right? So they should not lose money in the market. Now, guys, when it is possible, when we actually lose money in the market, when we invest without any study, right? So I must say that investing in the market is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a pretty good thing. But when, if you know what you are doing it, right? So, investing in the market, it actually gives you the chance to grow your money faster than like any other traditional saving accounts ever could. You can buy, you can sell stocks. And if you do it smartly, that is, by study, by having proper research, by proper analysis. So, those small profits can add up over the time. It also teaches you how money really works in the economy. You start understanding how companies rise and fall, how market reacts, and even how people's emotions affect the prices of the stocks in the market. So basically, it is a way to take control of your financial future rather than letting your cash just sit over there. So, believe me, I personally don't believe that invest and forget policy can work. No. So, but before you jump into the market, it's super important, very important to study the stock market first. So think of it like learning to drive, just like we used to first learn how to drive a vehicle and then we used to drive that vehicle. Similarly, we'll have to first learn how market used to work, how market used to behave basically, right? So what are the factors we need to first check before before investing? So you could just hop in a car and hit the highway, right? Without learning the driving. Similarly, without learning the market, without learning the behavior of the market, you can make heavy losses over there, right? Believe me, investing in market, investing in stock market, it is not a gambling. It's a pure science. So we'll have to do each of our acts very very carefully, that is after proper research, after proper study. The stock market, it has its own set of rules, guys. It has patterns, it has its own risk. So if you don't understand what a company's earnings mean or how market trends used to work, you can you can lose money very fast. So a lot of new traders make common mistakes. They trade out of the emotions, right? They don't set any kind of limit, or they jump on the hype without any research. So study of the market, it's going to help you avoid such type of things. So today, in short, I would like to say only these things that trading, it can be exciting, it can be rewarding, but only if you understand the game you are playing with. So learning the basics, plan your moves, manage your risk, and you will be a much better position to make a consistent profit, not just fully on guesses. So for today, up to this only. Next time, I would like to come with some of the, some of the tips, right, which can be very helpful to you for finding proper stocks from the market, and you can make a good watch list of your of your actually demat account, right? So thank you so much.